In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a horizontal video vertical on Capcut on PC. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up a new project. And once you've opened up that project, you want to go ahead and import a video. So I'm going to go to import and I'll find a video here to upload. So we'll upload this Pexels video. So here is this video. I'm going to then drag it onto the timeline. Now you can see here it is or horizontal. And what I'm going to do is change it to vertical. So a vertical format is going to be kind of like the size of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or any vertical format content that you view, Instagram Reels as well. And to do that and change it to vertical, all you want to do is go to ratio here next to the clip, and it's going to then be on original by default. 16:9 is obviously the standard YouTube dimensions, but if you want the TikTok vertical format, you want 9:16. And then you'll notice your clip obviously doesn't fit. So what you can do is you can click on it and then drag it here so it fits, and you can obviously move this around however you want. Then when you play your video, it's going to obviously play in vertical. You can then go ahead and go to export and export this video, and it will export here in a vertical format. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.